This morning, I made a mistake. I checked the news and I saw a world on fire. I just kind of collapsed and I felt defeated. As the day got later, I didn't even want to leave the house. It was windy and cold, and I thought about just tucking it in for the night and collapsing into the void. But I moved. I got up. I forced myself to put on my shoes, put on a jacket, and I got outside into nature. I explored a path I've walked hundreds of times in my life. And I remembered that the world, it's mysterious, it's wonderful. And I saw things this evening that I never would have seen if I had